Some benefits with travel insurance plans are not always pretty, but they are relevant and even necessary when discussing travel risk. Accidental death and dismemberment, AD&D, is one of them. This benefit covers the loss of a limb or its function, loss of one or both eyes, or loss of life while traveling. Benefits are paid to an insured's beneficiary chosen by the policyholder at the time of purchase. AD&D is supplemental to life insurance due to the extreme nature of accidents covered. It should not replace your term or whole life insurance plans, but is an excellent option for travelers exposing themselves to travel risks. G1G Travel Insurance plans offer AD&D packages as included benefits, but there are optional add-ons as well, or even upgrades for coverage available. Remember, the cost and coverage of insurance is specific to your policy and can change based on the individual making the purchase. This video acts as a helpful guide but cannot guarantee coverage. Always read the policy details, and if you need help with the fine print, call us. We'll help answer any questions you may have. Also, please note that nothing in this video is medical advice specific to you. You should not be making any decisions on medical care or treatment options based on this video. This is only meant to be educational. Please see a qualified and licensed medical professional for any of those questions or concerns.